friends. Good morning. This is Umakant. Often it is found in life, we seek solutions from wrong people. Has become our mentality. Wherever you go, wherever we take part in, we want to seek solution. And most of the time, people want a person who can solve all the problems of his life without much of his effort. So if this is your mentality, you want to seek help from some other person. There is a state called helplessness. What is this helplessness? Helplessness is like, if you ask me to, kick my hand, move my hand like this is a voluntary movement. I can just move and punch like this. Okay, this is a voluntary movement. But if I ask you to do an involuntary movement, for example, if I want to press my eyeball down, the iris down, I cannot do, because this is completely a involuntary movement. This is not under my control. This is a state of helplessness, complete helplessness. So in that state, what will happen? You surrender to some force and the help will come. But helplessness is a situation which is very rare and comes at very few occasions where you are completely helpless in a particular situation and you seek help from the external source, like the divine energy. So, but most of the times, you can take voluntary actions in providing solutions to your life. So, but even while seeking solutions, we go to wrong people, and we tend to listen to wrong people, because most of the time we want that the other person should give a solution, and without any personal effort. Do you think it is possible? It is not possible for another person to solve your problems without your own voluntary effort. This you have to understand. This is a very important point. So just wanted to narrate one small story. What happened, there was a man, there was a Sardarji. You say that we may crack many jokes about Sardarji, but Sardarji is very important. They are very intelligent people. So there was a Sardarji, he was living in an apartment, okay, and one time what happened is a fire broke in the apartment, and actually he was standing on the third floor of the apartment. So most of the people were rescued, and this guy was actually sleeping, and the fire safety officers called him, and he came out of the building and saw that everybody has escaped, and he was the only person who was actually struck up. So what they did is, they asked him to come in the balcony, and they made arrangements like, the pillow and everything with proper springs and all, so that if he jumps on it, there will be a proper cushion, and he will be relieved, and he will be saved. So what he did, from the third floor, he jumped on the cushion. So what happened, the cushion was so spring, it was having so much springs in it. So he just jumped in it and he flew back and sat again on the third floor. It's like a comedy thing, okay? So, second time they requested, hey, please come and again jump. So he came and again he took a jump from the third floor, and due to the spring action of the pillow, he went back to the third floor and he sat there itself. So this time the Sardarji was quite irritated. He wanted to do something different. Okay, what he did, he went inside his bedroom, and there was a Fevicol in it. Okay, what he did, he applied all the Fevicol on his bumps, okay, on his underwear and entire area of the underwear. And he thought, whenever this time if I took a jump, what if I take a jump, what will happen is that I'll be able to sit on the pillow, and my Fevicol will stick onto that pillow. So this time I'll be completely rescued. So what he did, a time came, and again the rescue people called, and he took a jump from third floor. And when he took a jump from third floor, what happened is, the underwear on which he applied this Fevicol is stuck into the pillow, and he jumped back naked. So everybody was laughing and all. So this is a joke of a thing. What happens is, in real life also, what, when we do not want to take, what happens is, when we do not want to take a corrective action from our side itself, a corrective action, we stand naked in front of the people. The solutions which we are implementing in your life, and from the person which we are seeking the solutions, we should see that, one part of time, our own effort, voluntary effort should also be there in order to get relief from the solution, from the problem. So we actually don't get connected, if you want to get connected to such people also, we are actually totally in a state wherein we want solutions from the other side only. But there is no particular voluntary effort from our side. So what will happen, like the story I told you, the other person will utilize your helplessness situation and he will leave you naked. So this is the purpose I am telling you. If you do not put your own effort, the other person may take an advantage and he may leave you naked. So what I am telling you, before taking any help from other person, make a conscious effort from your side also. Follow the things which you can do from your side, put the efforts, and after putting the maximum efforts, if even the solution is not coming, then that is the state of helplessness when you can request for a divine force. So I am just asking you to do not stop your efforts, put the efforts in a proper direction and seek a solution for a proper person. Now second thing is that first of all, taking a proper action and seeking a solution from a proper person is also more important. So who is a proper person? For example, in India, in Indian marriages, what will happen most of the times, people want to get their children married, and they seek advice from various Brahmins, and these people are, they're matching the Kundali, and they say that the 17 gunas, the 17 character traits of your daughter is matched with the 32 character traits of their, the boy. So they match and they tell, the people take suggestions from various people, and they do the proper matching of these all character traits. But what I'm telling if you look at the person who is mapping your character traits also, if you look at his life, you need to analyze his life, what kind of a life he is leading at his personal level. If at his personal level, if he is a failure, what kind of a mapping he will do, what kind of an astronomical mapping he will do for your own son and daughter. So I think that you should not be so much foolish to take suggestions from such people whose own personal life is pathetic. So if you want to seek suggestion from someone who is an expert in his area. Don't go to don't go to roam around people who can give you all false suggestions. You should also see how much successful the person is in his own life. If he is living a happy, harmonious life and he is giving you a suggestion, then that suggestion has to be accepted in a proper manner. So thing is that first point I told you, put in effort, whatever solution or in a helplessness situation you are. First situation I told you is helplessness situation, wherein you seek for a divine power. Second is that you seek a help. In a help situation, what you should do is you should put your own effort apart from the help you seek from outside. And third point is more important, is that seek an expert advice. Don't go to wrong people and get yourself naked, and then get humiliated. These 3 points, when you get properly in a proper direction, so you will find solutions, and you can deal with life in a more happy and joyous way. This is a message which I want to convey in this video. See you guys once again. We'll talk about these life hacks, and we'll get liberated soon. Bye.